In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webex Whiteboard. First, we need to launch Webex. This is the first crucial step in our process. You will see the Webex icon on your desktop or in your applications menu. Click on it to open the application. Once it's open, you may need to sign in with your account credentials. This ensures that you have access to all features, including the whiteboard. Remember, launching Webex is essential as it sets the stage for your collaborative session. You want to make sure everything is ready before proceeding. Next, within meetings, you will need to click either Start or Join. If you are the host of the meeting, you will click the Start button. If you are joining an existing meeting, select the Join option. You will see a list of meetings you can join. Selecting the right meeting is important so that you can access the whiteboard feature with your colleagues. Once you click on either option, you will be brought to the meeting interface. This is where all the interaction happens. Now, let's set up your audio and video. This is a crucial step to ensure that you can communicate effectively with other participants. You should see options to configure your microphone and camera settings. Make sure your audio is clear and your video is visible. This helps in creating a more engaging and productive meeting. You want to make sure everyone can hear and see you without any issues. After you have set up audio and video, click on the three-dot icon on the toolbar at the bottom middle of the screen. This icon often represents more options. Clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu where you can find various features. This step is essential because it leads you to the whiteboard option. You will notice that the interface is user-friendly and the options are easy to navigate. Next, click on the whiteboard option. This action will open the whiteboard interface. You will see a blank canvas appear, ready for your creative ideas. This is a significant step because the whiteboard is where collaboration truly happens. Participants can draw, write, and share their thoughts visually. It transforms your meeting from a simple discussion to an interactive brainstorming session. Now select New Whiteboard or choose Open for All. If you select New Whiteboard, you will start with a fresh canvas. If you choose Open for All, you will access a previously created whiteboard. This flexibility allows you to either start anew or continue collaborating on existing ideas. It's a great feature that enhances teamwork and creativity. Once open, a floating toolbar appears on the left side of the screen featuring various interactive tools. This toolbar is essential because it provides you with all the tools needed to express your ideas effectively. You will see options for drawing, text, and more. Familiarizing yourself with this toolbar will make your experience smoother and more productive. Using the pen and magic pen is the next step. With the pen tool, you can draw freely on the canvas. The magic pen, when toggled, will automatically smooth out your handwriting or unevenly drawn shapes. This feature is particularly useful for those who may struggle with neat handwriting, ensuring that your drawings are clear and professional. The selector tool is another important feature. Click and drag across the canvas to select, duplicate, reorder, delete, or group elements together. This tool allows for better organization and management of your ideas. You can easily manipulate objects on the whiteboard, which is crucial for a collaborative environment. Next, let's explore sticky notes. Click the stickies icon, choose a note color, and type text up to 6 lines long. This is a fantastic way to group concepts together visually. Sticky notes can help keep your thoughts organized and make it easier for everyone to follow along. The laser pointer is another useful tool. Click the laser icon to highlight specific points while you are speaking. Your strokes will automatically fade away after a few seconds. This feature allows you to direct attention without cluttering the screen, keeping your presentation clean and focused. Moving on, you can add images and emojis by clicking the media icons. You can select images from your local folders or place scalable emojis directly onto the canvas. This adds a fun and engaging element to your whiteboard, making your collaboration more lively and interactive. Finally, to stop collaborating, click Close for All. This option is available to hosts, co-hosts, or the creator of the whiteboard. Closing the whiteboard session ensures that your work is saved and that you can return to it later if needed. This little step saves you a lot of time later, making sure that all your efforts are preserved. By following these steps, you can effectively use Webex Whiteboard for your meetings, enjoy collaborating and creating with your team.